Hello and welcome to my channel, the so-called travel expert. In this video, we head up from Grindelwald to Männlichen, and the unique selling point, the USP of Männlichen is that you get beautiful views of all the tall peaks in the Jungfrauregion. The Männlichen cable car also leaves from Grindelwald terminal, the same location as the Eiger Express going to Jungfraujoch. We are now heading up to Männlichen from Grindelwald. And this cable car is also part of the new development, just like the Eiger Express, which goes up to the Eigergletscher. This is another view of Grindelwald and the mountains behind. I think the tall peak that you see right at the top right corner, that is the Finsteraarhorn. That is, I think, the tallest peak in this region, around 4,200 meters. The views get even better as you go up with the cable car. Here are some glimpses of the views as we climb up higher. It is a 20-minute journey to reach Männlichen from Grindelwald. These are the views you see getting off the cable car. A huge wooden cow and the snow-capped Alpine peaks. So we are here at Männlichen, just off the cable car. And its first impressions are that there's basically nothing out here, but the views are outstanding. And to keep children occupied, there's also a playground which actually adults can indulge themselves on. I was actually also playing around on this park behind me. An open air bowling alley is also good entertainment for the children. And seeing his performance, I decided to give it a try as well. Clearly not good enough. Although I thought I would improve in the next round, things just went from bad to worse. To avoid any further embarrassment, we decided to move on to something a bit simpler. But even this balancing act was not as simple as it first appeared. Clearly he was much better than me at this as well. And so I thought I could learn from him how to do it. But it soon became clear that I was going to need a lot more practice. And just when I thought that I'd mastered it, I only had to look back to see who was the boss. Unbelievable. And so the adventure continued. One can easily entertain themselves for at least a couple of hours with these activities. The only thing that one needs to look out for when visiting Männlichen is the weather. It only makes sense to visit this place on a bright and sunny day. From Männlichen, you also get beautiful views of Wengen, the entire Lauterbrunnen valley, and a beautiful panorama of some of the highest peaks in the Alps. It's a mind-blowing view. So there you can see Wengen in the foreground and the Lauterbrunnen valley in the background. That's a drop of nearly 1,000 meters. And you can also see some of the highest peaks of the Alps rising up to 4,000 meters. That's the reason why I said the weather is very important as well in planning this visit. On a cloudy day, you would see none of these spectacular views. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe.